What if your mind was your greatest untapped superpower? What if every decision you make could come from intention, not impulse? And what if ancient wisdom held the key to mastering your thoughts in today's chaotic world? In a noisy world filled with endless distractions, most people live on autopilot. But conscious thinking, paired with timeless Stoic wisdom, offers a way out. It empowers you to live with clarity, resilience, and purpose. The Stoics believe that you are not your thoughts. You are the master of them. And neuroscience today agrees, with daily practice, you can rewire your brain to think intentionally, not reactively. Let's explore 7 powerful conscious thinking habits you can practice every day, each one inspired by both science and the ancient Stoics. Begin each day with thoughtful intention. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Each morning, remind yourself, you will meet people who are rude, selfish, or foolish. But it is not theirs to harm you." Before you grab your phone or rush into action, pause. Speak to yourself with clarity. Say things like, "Today I respond, not react. I will observe my mind and choose my direction." This morning intention grounds you. It replaces reactivity with presence. Neuroscience shows that positive affirmations done daily rewire neural circuits linked to focus, motivation, and self-control. Your brain starts filtering your world through a mindset of clarity, not chaos. If you struggle with negative self-talk, this daily ritual can shift your emotional tone. Write your affirmations. Speak them aloud. Feel their truth in your body. Over time, your mindset shifts toward greater control and inner power. Train the mind through mindful breathing. Seneca taught, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Mindfulness anchors you to reality. Take 5 minutes each day to focus on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the moment. This simple act pulls you out of spiraling thoughts. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, calming stress, improving clarity. Meditation isn't about escape. It's training your mind to be still in chaos. Even elite athletes and CEOs use mindfulness breathing to reset in high-pressure moments. Why? Because it trains awareness. It gives you a pause. And that pause can change everything. Visualize with clarity, not fantasy. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, imagining obstacles before they happen. Today, it's called visualization. But don't just imagine success. Imagine the process. Imagine yourself choosing calm over chaos. Imagine doing hard things with clarity. Science shows that visualizing the process, not just the outcome, increases performance and emotional control. Engage all your senses. Hear the sounds. Feel the emotions. Smell the environment. Make it real. This strengthens mental rehearsal pathways in your brain. Your nervous system responds as if you're already succeeding, with grace, with strength. Think with layers, the 6-hat strategy. Before reacting to a problem, pause. Apply what modern thinkers call the 6 thinking hats, a method where you view a situation from different mental angles: logic, emotion, risk, optimism, creativity, and control. This aligns with Stoic discipline, detachment, clarity, and thoughtful judgment. Don't just think emotionally. Don't just think logically. Think holistically. Seneca advised, "You must live for others, if you would live for yourself." This includes thinking from others' perspectives. Try this during conflict. Try it when making decisions. Watch how your clarity and compassion rise together. Use journaling for inner clarity. Epictetus asked his students, "What is up to us? What is not?" Each night, take 5 minutes to write what you thought, felt, or feared. Ask, was this emotion useful? What belief shaped my action? This habit builds metacognition, the ability to observe your own mind. And it rewires how you think, one reflection at a time. Your journal becomes a mirror, revealing not just your thoughts, but your patterns. Add this Stoic twist: each night, review your day like a judge and a coach. Not to punish, but to improve. What did you do well? What will you do better tomorrow? Practice conscious speech. Zeno, founder of Stoicism, said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we may listen twice as much as we speak." Mindful speech means pausing before reacting. Asking, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? It means speaking from purpose, not pressure. Choosing your words as you would choose your path, with intention. Modern leaders like Oprah and Tim Ferriss credit intentional speech as the foundation of their influence. It's not just what you say. It's how consciously you say it. End each day with gratitude and review. Before bed, pause and reflect. What did you handle well? What tested your patience? What are 3 things you're grateful for? Studies show evening gratitude improves sleep and rewires your brain for optimism. Stoics did nightly review, not to judge, but to grow. Ask, did I live today aligned with my principles? Did I show courage? Did I act with reason and calm? This simple habit resets your emotional tone. It prepares your mind to rest in peace, not in regret. You don't need hours of silence or a remote mountain to become a conscious thinker. You need intention. You need practice. And you need patience. Think clearly. Act deliberately. Reflect deeply. That's the Stoic path. That's conscious living. In a distracted world, your awareness is your superpower. As Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. So choose thoughts that match the life you want. Because every moment of conscious thinking brings you one step closer to the person you were meant to be. So remember, conscious thinking isn't something reserved for philosophers or monks. It's a daily practice. A personal choice. A quiet revolution of the mind. Every breath, every pause, every reflection, it matters. Because when you choose to think consciously, you reclaim your life from autopilot. You begin to live with direction, not just motion. The Stoics believe that true freedom comes from within. And today, you have that same power. So pause. Observe. Choose your thoughts wisely. Because the quality of your thinking shapes the quality of your life. This isn't just about changing how you think, it's about changing how you live. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you think more clearly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone on their own journey. And remember, clarity is a practice. Stillness is strength. And conscious thinking is a choice you get to make every single day. See you in the next video.